Hey guys, so today I have a shoe review for you. This company called OneMix reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collab with them to do a review of a pair of their athletic brand shoes. And usually I'm like not a athletic-y sneaker person, but I do wear sneakers like literally every single day when I'm like running errands or just like having to go take my son to school and stuff. So I already have a pair of sneakers that I freaking love, and they're like these neon green yellow sneakers, but they're more for the summertime because they have like cutouts in them. So I needed another pair, and I was browsing through their stuff, and I was willing to collab with them because they had such cool and like funky colors and designs and stuff. So they did have a neon like greenish yellow color, but I'm like, I already have that. I'm like, I need to get something else. And my next go-to was purple, because you know purple is my favorite color. So I found this really cool shade of purple in their sneakers that I really liked, and I'm gonna show you guys the sneakers. I'm gonna go over them, I'm gonna put them on and review them for you guys. So this is the box that they came in. It's like holographic, it's really cool. And these are the sneakers. Aren't they so cute? I was like, oh my god, this shade of purple is freaking awesome. And it kind of like fades into like a lighter shade of purple. And what I liked about these is they have kind of like a platform on them. They're not just like flat. So it makes them look like even more like funky and like alternative looking instead of just generic athletic sneakers. But it has their brand name on the side. And like this is the bottom of the soles of the sneaker, and they're like good quality like rubber. It's not like that plastic stuff that sometimes that like cheap companies make their shoes out of. I hate because they just like wear out and fall apart like so fast. I'll try them on for you guys so you can see how they look. So I probably should have wore a different pair of pants that were like bell-bottoming and covering my shoes, but whatever, I pulled them up and you got the point. I think they look super cute. I still have them on. Like I said, they have like kind of like that platform heel, which is like really comfortable and nice and makes you look more like, gives you more of that alternative look. My only complaint about these sneakers is that inside there is a little, it's like a padding that is like a cushion. I'm gonna show you guys, for your arch. And I know a lot of people like that because it helps with like, I don't know if you can see it, it's on this side. It's kind of like raised up. And it's only because I don't really have any arches. My foot is somewhat flat. I have like a small arch. So it is kind of an adjustment to feel like a lump right there, you know what I mean? But it's not like super uncomfortable. It's just like a cushion, like padding inside. But a lot of people get insoles to put in there to help with their arches, so if that's something that you need for yourself, these shoes would probably be good for you. So I want to thank OneMix to reaching out to me and asking me to collab. I really love these sneakers. They're high quality. They have, like I said, all different types of styles and colors. I will link down below in the description box their website. Like I said, they sell on Amazon, and I'm not sure if they have their own separate website, but I'm pretty sure that they must. And you can look for you guys for yourself to see if there's anything you like on there. And let me know if you like these sneakers and if you thought they look cute on me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I love having new people here. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload, because I know a lot of people have been saying that my videos are not popping up for them, they're not seeing it, that they thought, one person was like, I thought you quit YouTube because I never saw videos from you anymore. I'm like, no, I've been doing them, maybe not as often as usual, maybe every 2 weeks, but I am doing them. I'm still here, I'm still around, I'm still doing YouTube. So Like I said, hit the notification bell so you get notified of my videos. And please comment down below. And until next time, stay dark, my friends. I will talk to you guys later.